Right folks, I'm back. I did say I wanted to show you how to make the angels. So you're going to need some pearls. Now remember, we sold hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these pearls for you. And I'm going to use the elongated ones. When I first found them, we got them at a car boot and we did the packs. And they were absolutely cheap as chips. And we sold dozens and dozens of them. So you're going to need some pins. I'm just going to choose these silver ones. Longer ones if I can find them, but I don't think I've got that many. I need to get some more. I think they're the longer ones. We're going to need these. The little flowers. I'm going to be putting them on the shop. I've not done them at the moment, but they will be going up there. And some little pearly heads. So let's have a look, see what we've got. I'm going to try and use... Oh, I'm not sure if they're going to be big enough. Maybe that size. Might be a better size. You can do them any size you want, but... you know, I don't want to do them too big. I don't think they look right when they're done too big, to be honest. Here we go. So, just going to use these little silver ones because I think they look nicer when they're done in silver. And, though you can use the bronze ones, it doesn't matter. But I prefer the silver ones. You can use roundels if you want to. If you've got small ones, I would suggest using a small one. Let me just see if I've got... Not those. Well, we'll see. So we've got these little angels. Now, if you don't want to use the elongated ones, we can always use the others. And that's this one. I'm going to try it with this one, to be honest. So I don't like the way that hangs down too much. So pop the bead on, pop the skirt on, pop the wings. I'm going to find... I just want a small one. I may not need it. Pop the head on, pop the cap on, and then you need your pliers, and I'm using the round nose pliers. Pop the pliers, the very tip of them, on the end of the wire, and turn it right angle, like that, and then use the largest part to bend that around. And there you go, you've got your little angel. They are so easy to make, but they look cute. And you can do them with any colour really. You know, whatever you want. So again, I'm going to put those back and use the smaller one. I was going to use the elongated one, but I'm not keen on it, to be honest. So there goes that, and the skirt. Let's have a look. Let's see if we've got another one of these. There's one like that. The head. The little cap. Oh, she'd like wings, Fiona. She'd like some wings. Let's do this. And that. There you go. Again, turn this with the tip of the pliers to the right, so it's a right angle. And I'm going to snip mine off a little bit because I think mine's too long. I don't want my eye on the end as big, so I'm just going to snip it. Take my pliers, wrap it around like that, and bring that in. And there you go. They are so cute. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to sell these in kits, and because I've got various angel wings, I think we've got 6 different kinds. I'm going to do a set of 6. I will put different coloured pearl beads in. And you'll probably get some silver bead caps and some bronze ones as well. But I'm going to make a kit, and they'll be on the shop shortly. Okay? Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye for now.